DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting comparison between two AI powerhouses, DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Now, you might have been seeing the buzz online of DeepSeek is making waves, even surpassing ChatGPT in some App Store rankings. But is it actually better? We're going to test them out in real life examples and see which one wins in different categories like speed, creativity, problem solving, and more. And by the end of this video, you'll know which AI is best for your needs. So stick around because I'm also going to show you how you can run DeepSeek locally for free, even on your phone. So let's get started. First is accessing both AI models on phone. So first you can quickly go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download ChatGPT from here. And for ChatGPT, you can simply search for ChatGPT OpenAI and make sure it's by the official app by OpenAI. And you can just install it. And for DeepSeek, you can just search for DeepSeek AI Assistant. Make sure that the applications are authentic. DeepSeek is made by Intelligent AI Assistant because you wouldn't want any just malicious software coming into your device. So once we have both tabs open or both the application installed, we'll start testing different scenarios. Now, first is creative writing test. All right, first up, let's test how well they handle creative writing. So let us first go to DeepSeek. Just let's use a fun storytelling prompt, such as write a short fantasy story about a, let me just write down. So write a short fantasy story about let's say fairy hidden in a forest. Let me just write that. Now let us see that what DeepSeek AI responds. Now the response is more unpredictable and unique, but you can see that it is first going through the thinking process, and once it's done with the thinking process, it will start just giving me the final conclusion. Now you can see the response is more unpredictable and it is unique, let's say. Okay, but it lacks some logical structure and coherence. Like you can see the logical structure is missing. And let us go and ask the same question from ChatGPT. Just paste it over here. Now let me just hit enter. Now you can see that ChatGPT creates a compelling, well-structured fantasy story with clear character development and immersive world building. And for this, ChatGPT is more polished and it is literally the winner for creative writing. Now let's go to the speed test. Now let's test how fast each model responds. So I'll just enter a simple prompt such as list the 10 best phones of 2025 till now. So let me just write that down for ChatGPT, and you can see that instant results in about 2 seconds. Okay, now you can see the instant results in about 2 seconds, and these are all detailed. Now let me just copy this question and go to DeepSeek AI so that there are no anything different in the questions. So let me just paste it down over here. Now you can see that DeepSeek AI is thinking right now. So it took about let us say 5 to 6 seconds to even think, and after that generating response. When you scroll all the way up, you can see that it has generated response in 15 seconds. It has thought for 7 seconds and generated response for the rest of the seconds. However, ChatGPT gave instant results. So in this case, ChatGPT is winner for the faster response time. Now, let's talk about problem solving test. Now, this is where things get interesting. Let's see how well each AI can solve a logical puzzle. Now, for example, I'm typing down a prompt that a farmer needs to cross a river with a wolf, a goat, and a cabbage. So he can only carry one at a time. Okay, so how does how does he do it? Okay, so I'm just gonna type in this for ChatGPT. So let me just paste it, and now here. And now let's just wait for it to generate a response. Now you can see that ChatGPT provides the correct step-by-step solution immediately. Like take the goat across the first and leave it on the other side. Go back alone, starting on the starting side. Take the wolf across in and etc. So it provides the correct step-by-step solution immediately. Now let us go to the DeepSeek. Now here, let me just paste the question. Now you can see that initially it is just gonna start thinking. Now okay, so now it's thinking, and after that it's giving an incomplete answer. And now let me just see, it's just thinking for so long, so you have to wait for the DeepSeek R1 to think, and after that they're just gonna creating a kind of scenario in their brain, in their digital brain, and after that they're gonna give a correct conclusion. Now you can see that DeepSeek has responded, but it has taken ages to respond. Like you can just look at the thinking process over here. So you can see that it has only thought for 45 seconds and then it has generated response. That means I had to wait for more than like 1 minute in order to get a response from DeepSeek R1. So whereas ChatGPT gave me an instant response. So in this case, the winner is ChatGPT for better logical reasoning. Let's just ask them for a translation test. Now let's test how well both models handle language translation. So for example, let me just write down this paragraph. This is just a simple paragraph. I'm just going to copy it for DeepSeek AI as well. And now let's just wait for ChatGPT to respond. Now you can see it provides an accurate, grammatically correct translation immediately within seconds, within nanoseconds. Now let us go back to DeepSeek AI and paste the same question. And now you can see the DeepSeek R1 is going to start its thinking process. Now you can see the translation is decent, but includes some unnatural phrasing, like you can see. So here you can see the thought process was like for 17 seconds and the conclusion was, so let's say it just took more than 20 seconds to respond, whereas ChatGPT was accurate and fast. So in this case, ChatGPT gave more precise translation and a more faster one. So next, let's see which AI is better at debugging code. So let me just type down, and now you can see that ChatGPT has quickly started just giving me a response, and now you can see that it is very fast and it has given me that's it has given me the conclusion of this. Now let us go back to DeepSeek AI and paste the same question. And now DeepSeek AI is going to start its the thinking process. It identifies the code, but it doesn't fully optimize the fix. It's not the kind of code that I want, and it's extremely unnecessary information is there. You can see, so it just thought for like 17 seconds, and that means again it took like more than 25 seconds or like till 25 seconds in order to generate a response, whereas ChatGPT was quick. So in this case, ChatGPT is winner. It is more reliable in coding. So here is a huge advantage of DeepSeek R1. You can run it locally for free. So in phone, you can download LMA. So you can just go and download LMA and install DeepSeek R1. So you can open a terminal app and run the model. Now you have an AI chatbot running on your phone without an internet connection. So that's something ChatGPT can't do. So in that case, the winner is DeepSeek R1 because only model that runs locally. So which AI is better? It depends on your need. So you can choose ChatGPT if you want faster response, better writing and creativity, stronger problem-solving skills, and more accurate translation. And you can choose DeepSeek R1 if you want a completely free option, the ability to run AI locally, more unique and unpredictable responses. So that was a basic comparison between ChatGPT and a DeepSeek AI. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.